Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a bottle of unicorn tears. What is that about? Well, it's Halloween, and it's the kind of thing that you might want to put into a magic potion. So you can change it to bat's blood or whatever you like. Start with an oval like that, and then two lines coming in and joined by a curve. And I'm doing those little dots to make it look like a cork in the top of a bottle. And this is all coming from my book, How to Draw Halloween Stuff. And here you can see I've got a couple of different magic bottles and stars and human skulls. There's an Amazon link and a link to the ebook down below, and you can get it in shops and stuff like that. So we're going to draw this little ring around the top there. This is kind of the lip around the top of the bottle. Let's get that in nicely in the middle. And then we're going to have the neck of the bottle will be like that. And then we want the body of the bottle sort of coming around like that. And I'm looking to see how it's going to fit in the camera. That squeeze it in a little bit more. So we bring that down to about there. And then we join that like that at the bottom. I'll just... If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload new videos to help you improve your creative skills. Now we want to do the label, and what we're actually after is kind of two lines down the side, and we need a bit of a curve. So that's what we're aiming at. And I'm going to draw a line, but I'm going to make it a little bit wiggly, go whoops, like that. And this makes it look like it's been, oh, somebody trying to text me. Looks like it's sort of been on the shelf for 100 years or so, and it's got a bit ragged around the edges. And there we go. And we'll put, let's have, if we go up and down and across, like a 4, up and down and across. And we're going to go down and up and across, down and up and across, and we'll kind of make that sort of a pattern in there, and we'll go unicorn tears. It's really difficult to get lettering to fit perfectly. We might want some little tears dripping down like that. Now we need to fill it up with some liquid. So here I'm going to put an ellipse. So this is the surface of the liquid inside, and it doesn't touch the edges. Okay, that's quite definite, because we got a thickness of the glass, which is what we want to have, kind of like that. And that will go there. And then you get really dark shadows in the glass at the bottom like that. And we're going to want to have a bit of shininess there, and I think maybe a bit of shininess there too. And we're going to have some kind of shadow in there. And I'm just going to put a little bit of shadow on the bottom there as well to kind of sit it on the table. We could have the cork just sort of sitting in there like that. Colour it in a bit, and there you are, how to draw a bottle of unicorn tears. Happy Halloween! Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.